All right, guys, welcome back. Now, I want you guys to tell me if you see anything special about the sentence that you see on the bottom here. Cats, oh, over here. Cats chase mice. Cats chase mice. You hear anything in particular? I'll give you a second to think about it. You guessed it. We stress or emphasize the word cats as well as mice. Why? That's what we're going to be focusing on today. So stick around so you can practice and understand why some words are emphasized and why other words are not. All right, so let's go ahead and get into that lesson here. Get myself out the way. Alrighty. So like I've already mentioned, we always want to stress the words cats and mice. But why? Because every single time you have a noun, you emphasize the noun. What is a noun? A person, a place, or a thing. Any person, place, or thing. Some people say an idea, person, place, thing, or idea, but an idea is a thing. So person, place, or thing. Anytime you have a person, place, or thing, aka a noun, stress the noun. Emphasize that noun, no matter what it might be. In this case, cats, oh, there we go. Cats chase mice. Listen to the pitch. Cats chase mice. Cats chase mice. Now, there are a few different ways we can create this stress. We can give a certain word more stress, more emphasis, more intonation. But we're going to focus on that in another lesson. When we give the word, that intonation, all right, or how we give intonation to specific words. We'll focus on that a little bit later. The most important thing that you have to know right now is that we always emphasize the nouns in a sentence. So let's go ahead and practice a little bit. Come down here. I'm going to minimize myself. There we go. Minimizing myself. And we're going to go over, I think pink is fine. We're going to go over practicing these 20 sentences. Right? You're going to say each sentence naturally and give extra pitch and energy to the nouns that you see. So we're going to start over here. Number 1. Cats chase mice. Emphasize cats. Emphasize mice. Cats chase mice. So wherever you are right there, go ahead and practice that. Say it out loud. Cats chase mice. More energy on the nouns. Number 2. Maria bought flowers. Maria bought flowers. Number 3. The chef cooked dinner. The chef cooked dinner. Number 4. My brother drives trucks. My brother drives trucks. Number 5. Teachers need coffee. Teachers need coffee. Number 6. The baby found a spoon. The baby found a spoon. You hear that extra energy on the nouns? Number 7. Emma wears glasses. Emma wears glasses. Number 8. Farmers grow tomatoes. Farmers grow tomatoes. Number 9. The artist painted the mountains. The artist painted the mountains. Technically, we would say mountains. That's what we call a hell T or a glottal T, but we're going to talk about that in another video. Number 10, our neighbors own dogs. Our neighbors own dogs. So you stress neighbors and you stress dogs. Let's go on to number 11. So number 11, let me get my pen reconfigured here. Number 11, students read novels. Students read novels. Number 12, the doctor called the patients. The doctor called the patients. 13, James lost his wallet. James lost his wallet. 14, the children built castles. The children built castles. 15, birds carry twigs. Birds carry twigs. 16, the baker sells cookies. The baker sells cookies. 17, my aunt collects stamps. My aunt collects stamps. 18, the singer wrote lyrics. The singer wrote lyrics. 19, Grandpa fixed the radio. Grandpa fixed the radio. 20, the kittens climbed curtains. The kittens climbed curtains. Okay, so you'll notice every single noun emphasize the noun. So let's go over them one more time, 1 through 20. But this time we're going to do a kinesthetic activity. Very, very simple. All you're going to do is clap. Every time we have to emphasize or give more energy to a noun, clap it. Go ahead and clap. So number 1, cats chase mice. Number 2, Maria bought flowers. Number 3, the chef cooked dinner. Number 4, my brother drives trucks. Number 5, teachers need coffee. Number 6, the baby found a spoon. Number 7, Emma wears glasses. Number 8, farmers grow tomatoes. Number 9, the artist painted mountains. Number 10, our neighbors own dogs. 11, students read novels. 12, the doctor called patients. 13, James lost his wallet. 14, the children built castles. 15, birds carry twigs. 16, the baker sells cookies. 17, my aunt collects stamps. 18, the singer wrote lyrics. 19, Grandpa fixed the radio. And 20, the kittens climbed curtains. So far, so good? Practice, practice. If you need to go back, play the video again, pause it, practice. Repetition is key in order to acquire this new rhythm. Every time we have a noun, stress the nouns. Right? Always stress the nouns. And to give you an idea of what I'm talking about, let's see if we can listen to some clips. We're going to listen to some clips from movies and series. And you're going to notice, I'm going to pause it, and you're going to notice how all the nouns are emphasized. So here we go. Put myself over here in the corner.
Kids in the car, so maybe $1 million o'clock.
All right, so what is emphasized here? We have, whenever they can get the kids in the car. So we're stressing kids and we're stressing car. Whenever they can get the kids in the car. So maybe $1 million o'clock. Right? Listen to that again.
Get the kids in the car, so maybe $1 million o'clock.
Shut up and get off your ass.
Start packing and get the kids in the car.
Yeah, I emptied the register and put the money in the bag.
All right, so put the money in the bag. Stress money, stress bag. Put the money in the bag.
Money in the bag.
Put the money in the bag, Carrot.
I want you to get up, open the safe, and put the money in the bag here. Now.
Put the money in the bag.
And I said, well, put the money in the bag.
I want you to put the money in the bag.
I'll put the money in the bag.
I should call the doctor.
We better call the doctor.
We better call the what? The doctor. Person. So we better call the doctor. Stress the doctor.
Call the doctor.
Call the doctor, please.
Should I call the doctor?
You didn't call the doctor, did you?
Why did you call the doctor?
I'm gonna go call the doctor.
Should I call the doctor or something?
You take the keys, you take him and go.
I want you to take the keys.
Kill you all, then take.
Take the what? Take the keys. The keys is a thing. It's a noun. So take the keys. Stress the keys. Take the keys.
The keys and come to me. Take the keys.
Okay, fellas. Just give him a ticket. Take the keys. Park the cars down the street.
And in this sentence, you can hear many nouns. So, okay, fellas, just give them a ticket, take the keys, park the cars down the street. Okay, fellas, just give them a ticket, take the keys, park the cars down the street. Okay, I'll play that little piece again so you can hear that.
Just give him a ticket. Take the keys. Park the cars down the street.
He'll attack the captain and take the keys to the ordnance room.
Passed away.
My brother will be insanely jealous.
What with my brother getting married and that guy thinking I was Ross's mother.
My brother Chucho.
So my brother getting married, or my brother Choo Choo.
Now would you please go and leave my brother alone?
If I'd known, I would have never, not my brother's girlfriend.
I was just trying to be nice to her because she was my brother's girlfriend.
So you really just have been fucking my brother and lying to me.
Wait here, I gotta tell my brother I'm leaving.
You come from my brother Johnny?
Okay, I draw the line at things falling off my brother's face.
Not at all, because then I can ask him to come to dinner with me as a thanks for being so cool to my brother.
Being so cool to my brother. So not at all, because then I can ask him to come to dinner with me as a thanks for being so cool to my brother. Always emphasize the nouns. Anytime you have a noun, stress the noun. Super simple. The concept is easy. What's a little bit complicated is implementing it in your speech. So you have to get into the habit of stressing all the nouns. How do you do that? By practicing, repetition, and most importantly, getting feedback. How do you get feedback? How do you have somebody correct you, listen to your pronunciation, correct you, tell you what to improve, how to improve in an organized way? Join my community. In the bio or in the description as well, you're going to be able to find a link. That link's going to take you to Nick's English Hub. At Nick's English Hub, we focus specifically on American accent skills, where you're going to have live sessions several times a week. You're going to have video courses. You're going to have a community to interact with, and that's where you're going to improve your pronunciation in an organized way. So if you haven't joined yet, go to the link, click on the link, and join Nick's English Hub. All right, you have 7 days for free to try it out, see how it works, and see how your pronunciation, your accent skills will improve. So I hope to see you in the community. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe as well, because I'm going to be dishing out as many videos as possible with all these little tidbits of information and advice to improve your American accent skills. I'll see you in the next one.